What's going on, everybody? In this video I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoins using Paxful. As you guys know, this link will be in the description box down below this video. You guys can see that I'm in the Paxful dashboard, but if you're not on the dashboard, you can go sign up or log in. To sign up, you can go and watch my previous video I have made. So the first step you want to do is click buy Bitcoin and then enter the amount in. So for example, I'm going to put 1. Then select a country and then click the select a way to pay. So I'm going to click Bitcoin ATM and then click search. It will search the Buy Bitcoin website for you where you can buy Bitcoin. And the search for me is where they can search some websites for you. You can see that it will say no offers found for Bitcoin ATM. But this was a short video, I know, but you'll get to it. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, go to the Bitcoin website, which will also be located in the description. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to buy Bitcoins on Paxful.